You're welcome. My name is Kawalia Robert. I'm doing business computing here too. Today we are going to see different relationships in use case modeling. So I have here my model system. It's called order management system. I have the following actors. I have here the customer, the sales representative, and then the shipping clerk. As you can see here, the customer browses the catalog, select items, make call. The sales representative check the availability of the item. Then here the customer is giving shipping information, also giving payment details, and then also make the payment. The sales representative can establish a credit coupon with the shipping clerk, and the shipping clerk deliver the order. So this is my model diagram with its association. So I'm going to include generalization, include, and extend relationship. So what do we do after here? We open up a new page. Don't draw them in your drawing here. You open up a new page. You go to insert, as you can see, then new page. By default you come as page 2, then just press OK. Let me zoom my screen to 150%. So I'm going to put my relationships. I'm going to start with extend relationship. Here on my drawing we have seen that a customer can make a payment. Yes. Then a customer can make payment using mobile money or cash or bank. So how am I going to show that? Let me draw my use cases here. I'm going to call this make payment, and then here the customer can make payment using cash. And let me enlarge this. Hope you can see it well. And even the customer can make payment using using bank or check. Using check. Let me use check. Let me enlarge this. So I'm going to put an extended relationship or an extended relationship. So I have here a parent use case, and these two are child use cases. So I'm going to put my extend relationship. So I'll go here on the packages or the tools. This is extend. So meaning the arrow will move from the child use cases to the parent use cases. But an extend relationship, by notation the arrow must be dotted. So I'm going to go here on the line, then I select this. As you can see, it's dotted. Then I'm going to change the arrowhead. I got here line ends, and then I change my arrowheads, and I can put it here. Then I'm going to make it faint. you click on it, then you come here, online pattern, you get, and I change the line 8. Then make it faint. That is my extend relationship. I have two options. The customer has two options. He or she can make payments using cash or make a payment using check. That is an extended relationship. In brief, it provides options. Let me go to include relationship. I'm going to just drag and drop two use cases according to that system. Then we have seen here in our diagram that the customer make a call and then give the shipping information, meaning the customer must make a call and then give the shipping information. That is a must do. So a customer must make a call to supply shipping or to give shipping information like the address. So that is it. So this is a must do. I'm going to show and include relationship. So I'm going to go here on the packages. I'm going to just drag and drop it here. So the arrow must point to the must do. Make a call. That is a must do, as you can see. And we know it's a dotted line, but here by default it comes with the word usage. So I have to initiate the word include. So I go here on the tabs, I select UML, then stereotypes. I click here new, then I change the default stereotype here, and I put include. Then on the base class, I will select generalization. Let me try to look for it. It is here. Then I press OK. So I'm going to go to right click. No, sorry. I'm going to double click, and then I got to stereotypes. Then include will come. Then I click on it, as you can see well. So it's a dotted line, so I have to change this. Let me change the line ends. It is like this for include relationship. It is a dotted line, then I make it faint, as you can see, and that is an include relationship. So the arrow must point on the must do. The customer must make a call so that to supply or to give shipping information. So let me go to generalization. Assuming I have here a customer, but a customer can be a new customer or can be an existing customer. Can be a new customer or an existing customer, meaning the old one. So I can generalize them and I call them customers. So the arrow will move to these child actors to the what? To the parent, which is a customer. So